Kanke ini je perfume launch hari itu tongmani. Sini brand ni mungkin Clarier. Untuk orang Clarier nanti kasih notice ni kasih ahli di sini ke sana.
My name is Basil, and I'm the founder, and Ankit Deverman is the founder of Clarier. So, let me tell you what Clarier is and what it means to us. So, Clarier, the word Clarier itself, it is not an English word. It is a French word. So, Clarier means an opening in the forest. So it is a glade, an opening. Forest is actually.
I'm sure most of you are familiar with it, right? And some of you may not know the story behind this. There's this story called Kherengber. There's a story called Kherengber, and they have recently adapted into a movie, I think, out of the 3 stories, something like that I watched in YouTube. It's Kherengber. How much time have I got? Is there a time limit? Around 6 hours. Alright. No, I would take 2 hours. So, see, this Kherengber does not have a fragrance. It's very beautiful. The flower is an object, but it's very beautiful, but it does not have a fragrance. So in the olden days, it's what we call folk stories, right? Our oral traditions. In a village, once upon a time, long back in a village, there was a family. And there was a young boy, there was a young girl. So during the spring season, maybe we went to go with around 500 maybe around March, April. Just before Garya Puja, parents usually send their children to go to food cultivation or food cultivation for this. So they send their children for the food cultivation. So it so happened that there was this young boy and there was this young girl. There was this young boy and there was this young girl, and they happened to go to the cook together for the Zoom cultivation. So they meet each other and then they used to go to the cook. And there was also a backstory for this. Because the young boy, his parents was ostracized from the main community village. They were secluded from the rest. There was some incident in the past. And because of that, they were secluded from the society and they were in a remote place. And because of that, the boy grew up alone. The boy became very company and he grew up alone. And he had this loneliness for community. He was always alone. So it so happened that even they this particular fragrance is flower. It has reached the couple when they are going across. So once she gets the fragrance, she's tempted. She tells the boy, I want this flower. It's so good. I want to put it in my, okay. So eventually they go around and then they come in front of this tree, a great tree. So this particular Kherengber, I don't know if you have seen. I don't know if this is the correct representation because it's a climber thing, no? If I'm not wrong, this Kherengber is a climber. It needs a support. So they come near this Kherengber plant and this beautiful tree with this beautiful flowers. So eventually, the girl gets the boy, okay, I want this flower. I want this flower. I want to put this in my So the boy has to agree, but there is a story behind this flower. Okay, it seems like there is a we call it MIR. So there's this thing, this co-repeated division that if you pluck this flower, I want to pluck.
So the first chapter is Tales of the Seven Sisters. So what we are going to do is So you see a beautiful packaging, you see a beautiful sticker. These are all designed by our talented Rigna. She is a graphic designer. And also, this is our first product based on the Kherengber folk story. And we have 3 ways to go. Like when we thought about this idea, we had 3 things in mind. What is it? It must be likable. Secondly, it must be unique. And thirdly, I actually forgot. So, and it must feel nostalgic, okay? So that is the third thing. And when you wear this, you will feel the nostalgic vibe, okay? When our grandmother, grandfather, they used to wear some kind of scent, that kind of nostalgic feeling will be there. However, it will be modern. So it is it will feel nostalgic also with a modern vibe, okay? And also, it is our original creation and it is unique. And this scent, I will be very honest with all of you, that this scent, we cannot create it. It cannot be created. I mean, there are no good perfumers in Tripura. So these are actually created by some good perfumers, okay, which are in Rajasthan. And the liquid that we got, it is imported liquid. It is from France. Okay? So as you all know, this will become our our identity from now onwards. Suppose you have Tongnai, suppose you have our Jakhe or maybe our Wakbahan, maybe all the people cannot enjoy it, right? However, this is something all the people can wear it once a lifetime. Okay? So, and also you can give it as a souvenir to your loved ones, to your friends and family. Thank you so much. What if I say 1999? It is also not 1999. But today if you get it, it will be 1499. Okay? So that is the introductory price. So now you can smell, now you can experience the scent, experience the folk tale of Kherengber through our scent, and also the refreshment. Please enjoy the refreshment as well. Thank you.
Kangke ini je perfume launch hari itu Tongnai. Sini brand ni mungkin Kherengber. Maka oh Kherengber nggak kasih notice ni kasih identity ni kasih sama musuh. Jadi jagawo seng notice ni. Jadi kabang mah mana pogit hang je story somno, je culture rongo, je heritage somno. Seng TV sini perfume ni bising tu seng borong no, tuni je nama musuh. Maka sini oh tini pula je launch kayak ni. Awani mungkin ke Kherengber, oh Kherengber nggak seng Tiprasa aku bela ke saya mana, obo agi ni sini cucu song suno saya kelar mani, je bela ke Bahai motom, obo no jadi no, obo ni Bahai dok ke, kepang mas ke motom jeep ni sini kepang mas saya mana, hai peno semua jauh kasih kok mas sana musuh, sini oh je Kherengber, obo sing kabang research khaino sing slam ka haipano kuno obo bo judi no sing omte ke sing ta omte ke saga ke sing ta la nai judi no obo agi phulni je tongmani obni Kherengber Bahai ni saga sing yera ke ta ta bok sanai abri bagai obo gring ka ke a soi abri Bahai ya haipano obo ke a Bahai no rgei a Rokni no ko mutu khai slam japani perfume so
Amane price rokha busuk ar bor jaga Manthoknai amo.
Already price ke starting gani ke abo tabuk sini launch honing ke abo 14,999. Nak jo abo man thokano sini Kherengber website ho kherengber.in.
Amo kono shop ro mangla only website ja civil mane.
Tabuk idari ke website ho sini khlagera nai. Abo ni pore aste sini demand nu khani ke ba maybe shop ro ko na chesta.
Every time India ho perfume launch ho kisa kana North India kisa South India mang nai se jabu hingga tang ke notice buka hingga kisa nai ko jagya es ngad me sini idea kaisa hai ke some let's do it like notice ni story not wrong ina is kaisa perfume create khale jwan perfume kaisa bumung tiklai lai jwan gam di ni idea hai ka
Abusu ro somoy na khana o je
sing tabu koi to 1 year on
omono launch khajane ba omono research khajane
onek sigano once jakse gai once la mesin kabang ma research khalega tom experiment khalega fail bom tha ऐसा experiment khalega ऐसा fail काम दिखे हेले तबो से दरा
तो भी Kherengber बात नहीं Bahai
माने ओबंग के से इंस्पायर कैसा कता बनो माने आगिने ओ फॉक्टिन नो मुझे खाए और परफ्यूम हिसाब से बुनो माने कैसा imagination करेगा वांस रिया कि ओमती है भाई बट अब फूल को भी दान किया
और सामान के ओमके तिर प्राउड असना माने के ना बारे
सिनी का परफ्यूम तो बस बम न स्टाइल हो के सिनी ओमती है भाई हो तो बरो सिनी बगै सलाम होता सना
खातर न मसला
ये परफ्यूम मस
अच्छा न खरो दुसो तिनी न गब हाके मानजनि वान सुट लायो दिनो या न खरं नै रा
सेन तो पहिला त खरबै न के सिनी नंनि मुंडो अनि बुंगे अंकित देबमा अनि पार्टनर बुंगे बेथल देबमा
हामबाय